Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nuzul Hakimi and good evening to Dr. Sliati Hashim. And today I'm gonna do my task 3, our individual portfolio. So for this task 3, we need to reflecting on our roles in our group in completing this task and what I gained from completing these both tasks. So in my group, my role more to completing the task, but there's a lot thing happening in our group, such as maybe some kind of miscommunication, so unorganizing plan, but there is a solution to that. So let's see what is my role in my group in completing this task. My role in my group is I'm helping in finding a movie to work on the task, and also I'm completing my task using the template given by our leader, which is Arwah, and we are using Canva template and others will join in completing their task in that Canva link. And I'm also helping my friend who stuck in their idea if they have any problem in doing their part. And I'm also joined in discussion on how to complete the task, such as we did Google Meet, discuss about how do we have a sequence on to complete our task, and then I give idea on how to arrange our timeline in completing the task, because we have other assignment too. And when there is a miscommunication, I try to set the mood again. When I say we have a problem, there is such a problem such as miscommunication, but I try to give a solution when I try to set the mood again by make a random joke such as singing or anything, so that our task will be more fun and we will stick on the same page to find our goal or complete our goal. So when of my friends feeling down, when there is a lot of tasks to be done or they do not have an idea to complete this task, I help them by trying to motivate them, even though I'm feeling exhausted by doing my task also, because I place myself as a leader, and I know that leaders should have a great mental strength to move its organization, right? So what I gain by completing this task, there is a lot of moral value that I can learn by completing this task, such as why we need a leader and why we should have a good communication with our group mate, and why we need to plan for our goal, and why we should encourage others, why we should have an organizing project management. So first thing is why we need a leader. As we know, a leader is a key to move the team, right? And a leader is also a decision maker. And as we know, leader will create a vision to set their goals, so others will join them to complete their goals. And a leader will set a direction and inspiring others as they want to feel success to complete their goal together, right? And then why we should have a good communication with our group mate. So why we need a good communication? Because a good communication is a source of information to the organizational for decision making process, as a leader will give information on how to work on their task. Leader will set on that. So communication is important to tell people on what to do. So beside communication is also important in altering individual attitude. For example, what happening on our group, such as there is a small argument that happening in our group, but when a leader play their part or the team play their part, one of them giving a good communication, there will be a slight solution for that problem to resolve, right? When it's happening to my group, a leader playing a good role such as Arwah, he give advice for us to not fight and give a way for us to complete our task. That's a good example for her. I really thank her. Okay, next, why we need to plan for our goals. So as we need to plan for our goal because we to get a maximum result of our goals and to create a laser focus on what we need to do and motivate us to work in arrangement. And then why we should encourage others, because we need to help others that need motivation to find their goals and help to completing their tasks. And then also to create a good environment between a group mate so that they can work in a good environment and complete their tasks in a friendly environment. So we can achieve a same goal in organizational as we encourage others and ourselves too. So why we should have an organizing project management? We need to have an organizing project management so that we can complete the task by in sequence and in manner, and it also help in increasing the productivity of our group results. So we also can keep our resources in manner so that we can complete our sequence or tasks by using the resources in a good manner. I think that's all only for my part. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.